Got to worry about that.
Okay, so I am getting my wig installed by my bestie. And I just wanted to show you guys what she's done so far. So underneath the cap is my hair. It's been braided to the back to get it out of the way. And she done used some, what is this? Kenra? Super Hold spray, which works like a dream. And then we using this, which she said I need to get the right kind. This is the gel, but I need to get
You need both.
the glue. Okay, I need both. I need the gel and the spray.
If you're gonna do it at home.
If I'm gonna do this at home. So, but I told her I didn't want to do the first attempt of a wig install on my own. I needed her to do this with me. So, you know, we're doing this together. But this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so I'm back. Now what we're doing is we are using some powder foundation, and she's blending to make it match my skin tone. So she's not done yet, but that's what we're doing now. Alright guys, so we're going down the, going down the front. She just tied it down. We are almost done. I'm super excited. Okay, so I finished with my wig install. I got it in a ponytail right now, and this hair is 20 inches long. So this is the finished look for now. I love it, and I'm looking forward to rocking it on my birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to comment, subscribe for more videos, and I hope you guys are having the best day. Shout out to my older brother whose birthday is today. Our birthdays are a week apart. So, love you. Have a great day. Bye.